cutting board. Shallot. Peel and chop. Fine pieces. Beef. Pan. Plop. Eventually. Medium high heat. Break apart. Add shallots. And stir in. Celery salt. Vegeta. Beef bouillon. Pepper. Lastly, taco seasoning. Now mix. Beef cooked. Flavor. Add water. And mix to make sauce. Reduced. Now saucy. Taste. And adjust seasoning. Pepper. Wash. Don't be gross. Wash your peppers. Chop. Black beans. Plop. And rinse. Make sure thoroughly rinse. Prep done. Peppers. Corn. Black beans. Pan. Deep. Parchment paper. Chips. Thin layer. Add prepared toppings. Delicious. Don't forget goat cheese. And cheddar. Distributed. And shredded. Not finished yet. Repeat with layer 2. Second layer toppings. Leftovers. Maybe tomorrow. Preheat. Yes. Be patient. Not ready. Wait till done. It is now ready. And in the oven. 5 to 10 minutes. Needs more time. Maybe 13 minutes. Check again. Better. Done. 13 minutes. Take out. Remember, glove. Otherwise, no takeout. Perfection. Sizzle, sizzle. Serve with spatula. Gooey. Yet crispy. Jump. Not done. Part 2. Cut. Salsa. More. Okay, about done. Yeah. Blend until smooth. Smooth. Sour cream. Or yogurt, if you're like that sort of thing. But sour cream, better. Mix. And ready to go. Delicious. Don't forget to dip.